find the electric field intensity at a point at a certain distance away from a point charge. So now we are going to discuss the electric field intensity at the axis, at a point along the axis of a ring, small ring, which has been electrically charged, which is carrying a charge plus q or minus q. So this we have to find. So again I would like to repeat that if you have any question, then please write to me in the comment box, and if you like the discussion or my channel, then please subscribe and share it. So let us begin our discussion. So we have this ring which is kept in a vertical plane. This is the center of the ring. तो ये होगी रिंग की एक्सेस, और हमें क्या करना है कि वी हैव ए पॉइंट हेयर, सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज P. ड्यू टू दिस रिंग, इस पॉइंट के ऊपर कितना इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी होगी ये हमें पता लगाना है. तो लेट अस हैव चार्ज ऑन रिंग, ये है सपोज प्लस Q, and this charge is uniformly distributed over the whole ring. So let us assume that radius of ring is A. और ये जो डिस्टेंस है यहाँ से यहाँ तक, जिसके ऊपर के हमें पॉइंट P का सेंटर ऑफ रिंग O से, let us take this as x. तो ड्यू टू दिस चार्ज ऑन द रिंग हमें बताना है कि P के ऊपर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी क्या होगी. तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, बिकॉज what we have done previously is के we find the electric field intensity at any point due to a point charge, means having very small, but ring का जो size है that is finite, so we have to distribute this, or we have to take a small piece of this. So charge is uniformly distributed as is given in the question. So now when we move further, or for the competitive exams, we will also be discussing the questions where the charge distribution is not uniform, but here the charge distribution is uniform. It is given and it is assumed. तो मतलब के पर यूनिट जो लेंथ है रिंग की, उसके ऊपर चार्ज सेम होगा on every unit length of it. तो चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज यूनिफॉर्म. और ऐसा अगर हम एक पॉइंट ले लेते हैं इसकी यूनिट लेंथ ऑफ रिंग, दैट मीन्स इट इज रिड्यूस टू ए पॉइंट चार्ज, सो दैट वी कैन फाइंड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट द पॉइंट P. So Q is the charge which is distributed on this. So dQ, charge on a small element of length dl, where dl is the length. So dq is q divided by total length, that is 2 pi a circumference. अब क्या करते हैं, let us take this small element here. ये छोटा सा एलिमेंट हमने ले लिया, इसकी लेंथ है dl और इसके ऊपर चार्ज है dq. दिस इज वेरी स्मॉल. नाउ दिस इज ए पॉजिटिव चार्ज. तो क्या होगा, पॉजिटिव चार्ज पे जो फील्ड की जो इंटेंसिटी है, व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द फील्ड, यू नो दैट इट इज अवे फ्रॉम ए पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड टूवर्ड्स ए नेगेटिव चार्ज. तो AP जो होगा, इट विल बी परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस डायमीटर ऑफ द रिंग, और इस पॉइंट के ऊपर जो फील्ड की डायरेक्शन होगी, इट इज इन दिस डायरेक्शन अवे फ्रॉम द चार्ज. सिमिलरली यू कैन टेक ए स्मॉल एलिमेंट dl हियर अपोजिट टू दिस, जितना ये है उतना ही सेम पॉजिटिव पॉइंट चार्ज, इतना ही dq और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ओवर ए लेंथ dl. इसमें भी अगर मैं डायरेक्शन यहाँ पे देखता हूँ फील्ड की, इफ दिस पॉइंट इज B, सो जॉइन B विद P and you will see here that the field is directed away from B in this direction. तो ये तो होगी यहाँ पे फील्ड की डायरेक्शन. अब हमने क्या करना है, अब हमें इसकी सेम कि किसी पॉइंट चार्ज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होगा डी क्यू अपॉन आर स्क्वायर. आर क्या है, ए पी फॉर दिस, ए पी स्क्वायर. This is the magnitude of electric field here, and direction we have defined, shown by the arrow away from the charge in the direction AP and BP. So I will write AP here, and that is also equal to BP. So this is a right angle triangle. This we can write equal to under root of x square plus a square. So this is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 dq divided by a square plus x square, and put the value of dq from here multiplied by dl. Yes, this is per unit length multiplied by the length. So I will put here the value of dq. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q divided by 2 pi a square plus x square and into dl. Now see here, this electric field due to charge at A in the direction AP is having two components. One is along the length, along the axis, and other is perpendicular to the axis. So we can show this. तो ये कंपोनेंट होगा, this is DE, this is also DE, DE cos theta, and this will be DE sin theta. Similarly, this one is having the same components and DE cos theta. So you can see here we will be having these small elements of equal length dl you can take along the circumference, and which are diametrically opposite, one here, here, so one here, here, and so on. तो जब आप इसका सम करेंगे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी का, you will find that all the components perpendicular to the axis d sin theta will be in opposite direction, so they will cancel each other, and all the cos components are along the axis, so they will be added. So if I write the net electric field E at point P, this is equal to integral of dE cos theta. Why integral? क्योंकि ये जो चार्ज है इसके ऊपर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, this is a uniform body having uniform charge distribution. Here uniform body is important, charge distribution is uniform, but that is immaterial here. तो body is uniform, तो इसलिए it is not discrete. Discrete means which is having break or gap. So that's why for finding the total intensity of electric field we are using integration, or you can also write summation, sigma. And here I can write what is cos theta. Cos theta is in this triangle, base upon hypotenuse AP, a square plus x square to the power 1 by 2. So electric field intensity at point P, this is equal to, okay, and one more thing, let us take this as origin. So this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So E at P is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon 2 pi a square plus x square dl. Now put the value of cos theta, x over a square plus x square to the power 1 by 2 and integration of this. And its direction you can show by vector notation. If I write the unit vector I is a unit vector along the x-axis. So what quantities can be taken outside the integration? Only the variables will be inside this and rest are outside integration. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon 2 pi a x upon a square plus to the power 3 by 2 integral of dl and I is nothing but it shows the direction, unit vector. Now what is integral of dl? Total length 2 pi a of the ring. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. So 2 pi a will be cancelled by this integral of dl. So qx over a square plus x square to the power 3 by 2 I. This is the formula for electric field intensity at the point P at a certain distance x from the center of the ring. Now you have to find the electric field intensity at the center of the ring. That means at x equal to 0 the field intensity is 0. What is the reason? The reason is, I will show it here. We have this ring and this is having uniformly distributed charge. So if I take small elements of length or charge diametrically opposite, then electric field intensity due to a positive charge will be out of the ring, and they are equal. So equal and opposite field intensities, because they are vectors, they will cancel each other. तो result क्या आएगा? Total intensity at the center will be equal to 0. But ये कब होगा? जब charge distribution uniform है. Non uniform है तो नहीं होगा. अब if x is much larger than a, तो उसमें क्या होगा? In that case, we will neglect here a in comparison to x, and so E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 qx divided by, if you leave a here, it will be x to the power 3 by 2. So qx cube, so q by x square. मतलब उस केस में अगर ये O से पॉइंट P बहुत ज़्यादा दूर है, the ring will behave like as if it is a small point charge. And now you can also find what is the value of maximum intensity of the field and where it is existing. So d ep by dx equal to 0. तो अगर हम इसको डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं, then we can write a square plus x square to the power 3 by 2 into 1 minus x 3 by 2 a square plus x square to the power 1 by 2 equal to 0. So you will get that x is plus minus a by root 2. तो अगर हम x को प्लस माइनस a by root 2 लेते हैं, मीन्स अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 0.707 टाइम्स ऑफ a. सेंटर से 0.707 टाइम्स ऑफ a इस पॉइंट पे और इस पॉइंट पे फील्ड की इंटेंसिटी जो होगी वो मैक्सिमम होगी. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो फाइंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ मैक्सिमम फील्ड इंटेंसिटी by putting x equal to a by root 2 in this formula. So this is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q into a by root 2 upon a square plus a square by 2, 3a square by 2 to the power 3 by 2 q a by root 2 2 root 2 upon a root 3 or 3 root 3 into a cube. Root 2 is cancelled, so 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q 2q डिवाइडेड बाई 3 रूट 3 ए स्क्वायर. तो इस पॉइंट के ऊपर ये वैल्यू होगी एंड दिस इज द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर मैक्सिमम इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द फील्ड. तो इस तरीके से आप निकाल सकते हैं discussing after this. So electric field intensity at a point, but charge is uniformly distributed and we are measuring the field intensity at a point which is along the axis of the ring. So this is all for today. If you have any question, then please write to me, and if you like it, then please share and subscribe. Thank you.